Hello, my name is Terry Harrison. I'm going to show you how to paint a watercolour tree in summer with a fan brush and a brush called the half rigger. I'm going to start with the fan brush, which is called the fan stippler, a dark green. This is midnight green. You start with a tree trunk covered in ivy. So there's some ivy climbing up a tree. Underneath, some grass, like that. With the half rigger, the same dark green, paint in a tree trunk and some branches. So the branches come out of the ivy, and it goes up to the side of the tree, or the edge of the tree. Some smaller branches coming out here. Back to the fan brush, squeeze the water out of the brush, double load the brush, light on one side of the brush, dark on the other side. So it's light and dark. Hold the brush upright and push the brush into the paper. Tilt the brush over. There's the sunlit side of the tree. And the shady part of the tree. There's the light, there's the dark. Stipple, push the brush into the paper. Bring that down. Fill the middle, fill the centre, some more grasses underneath. And there we have a summer tree. I'm going to show you how to paint a winter tree in watercolour. We'll start with this brush called the fan stippler, the dark green, midnight green. Paint the tree trunk with some ivy climbing up the tree. Then with the half rigger and midnight green and some burnt umber. So it's a dark browny green. Paint some branches and twigs. Some more branches down there. Then with the fan stippler, use some cobalt blue with some burnt sienna. So it's a bluey grey colour. Bash the brush into the palette to open the brush up. Then stipple over the tree. So this just gives you the impression of loads of twigs. So bring that down. So stipple, drag, like that. Still with the same colour, touch more blue. If you have some trees in the background, you just drag the brush down like that to give the impression of some trees off into the distance. Like that. And you can use your fingernail to take out a few tree trunks. Some raw sienna. And if the sunlight's coming in from the left, just put that warmer colour to the side of the tree. Still with the raw sienna, let's have some grasses and a field. And with the fan stippler, just flick up for some grasses in the foreground. And there we have a winter tree.